See, so as in our first class, I have already discussed about the conduction of deep learning. Not only deep learning, all BTech courses, two lectures will be one to one, like in through MS Teams, and the other one will be the video. So this is the first video, and this topic will is there in your syllabus. What the difference between machine learning and deep learning? This is very important. So all of you know some basics about deep learning, and you have already learned about machine learning. So in this video, let me tell you that what is the difference between machine learning and deep learning. Okay, so deep learning is nothing that it's a machine learning that teaches computers to perform tasks by learning from examples, right? So this is the same machine learning. So what is the difference between machine learning and deep learning? Deep learning is involved in neural networks, and this neural networks is motivated from our human brain. Have you ever think how many layers or how many uh, things are going in our brain? See, brain is a magical thing. Today I'm seeing, today suppose I have seen, you people know me, right? I am Ashwati madam. How come you know that? Because your brain has some memory power and it saves this memory, right? So in that way, humans have also built these neural networks to have some memory, to learn something, to some knowledge, and to deliver it, or to use this knowledge for some other tasks. Okay, the more layers, and you know this neural networks consists of several layers: layer 1, layer 2, convolutional layers, then flattened layer, max pooling layer, softmax layer. I mean, all these terms you are going to meet in this deep learning. You are going to see in this deep learning lecture. And from first class itself, I have told you, don't think that deep learning is a very tough subject. If you are traveling with me, if you are in this track, then it will, in this track, in the sense not open elective track, in this the correct track, if you are following, then deep learning is a very easy subject. Only the thing is that you have to know some architectures and then some concepts. If that concepts is very clear to you, then deep learning is the one of the easiest subject. Okay, so the more the layers, the deeper the network. We will say that shallow network and deeper network. Deeper network means the more the layers, and if the layers are increased, then what will happen? The more complex features these neural networks going to learn. Okay, so how does this deep learning work? All of you know that the core is neural networks. Neural networks are responsible for the all the computational computations, and these computational models are inspired from the human brain. Okay, next, and these networks are interconnected through nodes or neurons, and these neurons work together for the processing of the information that have gained. Okay, and through this it makes decisions. Then what will happens? Each neural network has layers, and each layers are designated for several specific functions. Then here comes what is the difference between ML and deep learning. In ML, one of the main task is feature extraction. That is, we have to manually matlab we have to extract features through different algorithms. We have our own feature extraction algorithms, and this feature extraction algorithms are features extracted is fed into the classification. On the basis of the features extracted through different algorithms, the classifier is going to classify, okay, whether this task is car or not car. That's why input is a car. But what happens in the deep learning? In deep learning, feature extraction and classification happens under the artificial neural network category. That is, the convolutional neural networks is gaining the features by itself. Okay, then how deep learning works? The input layers contain raw data, and they transfer the data to the hidden layers. Artificial neural network architecture. How the architecture is, you might know in soft computing, right? you have input layers, you have output layers, in between you are having some hidden layers. So what will happen, the input layers will have the raw data, and this raw data is transferred to the hidden layers or hidden nodes. Then what will happen, these hidden layers or nodes classify the data points based on the broader target information. Target information, what information we require, according to that this hidden layers is going to divide it. And every subsequent layer, hidden layer consists of layer 1, layer 2, many layers will be there. So each subsequent layer, the scope of the target value narrows down. Scope of the target value narrows down means we are nearer to reach the target. And the output layer uses this hidden layer information for making the correct decision. If in our case it's a car or no car, or dog or cat, whatever. So that classification. Okay. Now, how to create these deep learning models? How to create deep learning models? This will be the in the next video. I am going to explain. The continuation of this video will be in the next class, and I will be giving this deep learning models. Okay. Thank you.